Hi, Eclectic Crafter here with another preserving spot. So people go to all the trouble of like canning and all that stuff. Now your asparagus, it doesn't like to be out too long. It also doesn't like too much water, all that kind of thing. So my husband will pick it in the morning, bring it in, and to be honest, I am not a morning person, only when they were paying me to be. But I don't even wash it beforehand anymore because it stays fresher this way. Because it has been sitting for a while, I did cut those ends off. And now I'm going to cut this. Of course, I forgot to get out my colander, so it's not going to be as fast as I thought. And now, as I cut them, I'm going to throw them in that. I will rinse them, let them dry a little, and I will put them in one of my vacuum seal bags. I try to put only about 4 or 5 ounces of it in there. I mean, I don't measure it out. I do it all by eyesight. But I don't think leftover asparagus is nearly as good. So I just make enough for like 2 people in a bag. But usually there's only 2 people eating at once, even though there's 4 adults in this house. They never seem to eat together. You can cut them any size you want them. I'll tell you, the ceramic knives are pretty nice, and I have sharpened them. But I also have broken them, so you want to be a little careful there. You're not going to see me rinse it because I'm going to turn the camera off. We have discovered that I chose the wrong camera. Even though it said that it was good for live streaming, the battery overheats, and that's why it keeps shutting off. This goes in my compost tote. We keep an old milk jug. We cut the top off. We've had a compost bin forever. I'm married to farm boy. I'm going to rinse this off. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. I've got them all rinsed off. Cold water. Keeps them from wilting. Made myself a couple of bags. I've already put the dates on it. Bags are probably a little bit, well, this was the end of the roll, so this one's this side because of that. I'd rather have my bags too big than too small. Bounce it down. I don't think there's going to be enough for the second bag. Well, we're just going to put it all in one. I'd rather have this one a little fuller. Normally I even it out between the two, but that was a very small batch that came in today. This, I'm going to be fully honest with you. I picked this out simply because it had this. I've only ever used it once, and it's a pain in the butt to use because you have to have 2 hands down here. So you've got nothing to hold that. I'm not that coordinated, so I put something underneath it to hold my package because it falls out. And it's done. That's alright, tomorrow he'll bring in more. Bag's already made. Longest part of it is getting it to package up. All ready to go in the freezer. Already marked. And we got 1 meal's worth. Thank you so much for watching my preservation spot. Bye-bye.